Let's kick off with our first one, data released over the European session. Today we had the French industrial output month on month, came in at 1.6% versus 0.5%. The previous was 0.8. That's good news for France.
I think, yeah, they needed some good news, and that's a pretty good one. I mean, a pretty good metric there. That's the sort of normally the weak link these days, and a stonking figure. Yep.
UK trade balance for August 3.7 versus 3.3, so slightly worse than anticipated. Any thoughts on that?
No, I think that's sort of a neutral figure for the market, but obviously it could do better.
Yeah. Greek CPI year on year September again negative. Greece is almost on the back pages now.
Yes, I think that I suppose the best thing about that is probably the way that Cyprus, the prime minister's played his hand so well. Kept on asking for sort of votes and referendums and everything like that, and I suppose there is some stability there.
And an IMF meeting, I know that Miss Lagarde, she was basically saying China's not perhaps in such a bad pickle as we all thought it was.
Well, the best thing about that was there was an article in the Telegraph today where they were complaining that the IMF is too French biased.
Oh, really? Right, in terms of, I picked up a point about yesterday's data point. Germany exports plummeted by 5.2% in August compared with July, the sharpest monthly decline since January of 2009.
Well, if the US Democrats have their way, it's going to plummet even more with VW's car sales going down.